Hello, it's Mock, and I am back. It's been a while since I made a video, but something has motivated me to make something. It is a tutorial. For this tutorial, I'm using Ubuntu 13.10. Also, I'm using GNOME Flashback with Compiz. So, stuff seems a bit not cool at like some certain point. Just comment down below, because this is like the first time I've recorded with my current setup. So what we are going to do in this tutorial is we are going to install notA Lobby. This will also install Spring and the notA game. It's based off of Total Annihilation. If you don't know what that is, just think StarCraft. It's an RTS game. And it's very fun. And the people who play are very nice. Yeah, so to get notA Lobby, we'll want to go down to here. You'll choose your bit, which if you're using Linux, hopefully you know that, like, seriously. So you just go to here, download this. It is optional to download these two. You can also download some other files from Spring Files, and I'll show you some stuff about that. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to actually install that. So we'll open up our file browser to start that process. First we're going to go into wherever we downloaded that. We're going to try to find the notA Lobby. Instanota.tar.gz. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to find it in your downloads folder. You're going to right click and extract here. Then you will get a folder called Instanota, which I think I don't have in my downloads folder, because I just moved on a desktop. There it is. I found it. It was on my desktop. So what you're going to want to do is you'll find this folder. Then you can open up a terminal and navigate to this. In my case, I put it in my desktop folder. And then we'll just double check. And then we're going to sh, which that command runs shell scripts. Strat, well, start.sh, and that will start the notA installer. What you're going to want to do here is you're going to want to navigate here to the file that you want to have your notA file in. So I put it in .notA, but the interesting thing is whatever file you put in here, it will make a folder called notA in all caps. So if you don't like that, you can just put it in your home folder, put it in your desktop, wherever you want, and then you'll just click install now. Which reminds me, if you've been using Steam for a little bit, you should be fine. But if not, then you might want to go and pick up Build Essentials. And you can easily do that. Sudo apt-get install build essentials. Okay, I can't spell, but you get the point. It's build-essentials. But if you haven't already installed Steam and some of your favorite Steam games that run on Linux, then you probably want to do that if you want to install Steam. You can easily sudo apt-get install Steam. And once you've installed some of your favorite games, you will hopefully have some of the, probably all of the dependencies, because that's kind of what worked for me. So, once you've installed this to some folder, I did .notA. Here, you'll get this notA in all caps, and then you'll have lots of fun stuff in here that you won't have. You won't have that either. That's just some weird stuff that I was trying to do stuff. Yeah. So you'll have this folder. And to run it, what you can do is you can navigate to this folder, and then you can just sh that. But since we are Linux users and we are lazy, trying to get the best of our experience, what we want to do is we're going to make a desktop icon for that, because we can. Also, I'm going to show you how to integrate this into Steam, so you can be even more lazy. And if you want to just do this right off the bat and have it do this, it doesn't work. Because if you notice, if you tried to sh and then the path to the shell script, if you want to sh that, it's going to give you, or maybe, actually, it isn't going to give me an error because I fixed it, but it will give you an error because you haven't fixed it. And the fix is simple. You just want to open this up in your favorite text editor, and you won't have this line here, but what you want to do is you want to put cd and then the path to the file where the start script is. And the reason why this fixes it is because this isn't originally there, and it's going to search whatever folder you're in. So if I try to run it from here, it would try to run it from the home folder. It'll be searching for /notA, and it'll see that it doesn't exist and start complaining and whining to you. But you can easily fix that by having the shell script change directory to this folder before it runs. And so now you can run this shell script from anywheres, but you want to have your desktop icon. So I will give a link in the description. How I figured out how to do it is I went to Ubuntu Ask, like any other good soul, and tried to find an answer. And I found this was the best answer. The annoying thing with this is that you can no longer create launchers through a GUI menu, but you can run this command and get a nice GUI menu that creates the launcher. So what you do is you'll just, I will give you the link to this question in the description below, but you will find the command in here, and it will bring up this menu. It'll say type application, okay, notA, comment, you know, that doesn't really matter, and then command, you're going to have it sh, and then the path to the shell script. Oops. And that will create an icon. on your desktop. And you can also go here and find a nice icon for it. I didn't do this. Originally this was broken on my desktop until I just fixed it a couple seconds ago. But I already made a desktop icon. I'm just gonna go change this to that's a picture I use a lot. The icon now. notA.jpg. Okay, there we go. Close enough. So, now we want to integrate it into Steam. So, how will we do that? Easily. So, we'll just want to go to Steam. You can really just skip this. This is optional. This is just something that I wanted to do so that my friends who are on Steam can tell when I'm playing notA. So, we just go to Games, add a non-Steam game, and we will go to Browse, and then we will navigate to our desktop, which is Home User and then there we go. And bam, that worked. Add selected programs. Apparently it works for more programs too. Well, let's see. Yes. So let's see. I thought I had notA open somewhere. Nope. So we can just open notA. Oh wait, I did have it open. Okay, so let's close that. And try to run this. Pay close attention to the bottom bar. Well, that's a disappointment. I will make an update if I figure out how to get that to work. But for now, you can enjoy your desktop icon that happily brings up notA Lobby and logs in for you. And then you can go in here and watch Pep completely pwn Polar Gamer. Okay, so please like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff if you like this video. If I get some feedback about this, because I barely get any feedback, I will continue to make some notA videos as I learn more about notA and such. Because I might make some strategy videos if I get good enough. I only know some strategies. Let's see. This looks nice. Oh, that's a large image. Yeah, better quality. No, TA